What's up, YouTube? This your boy jvstormproductions. Follow me on Instagram at Big Stormo. I'm on at the Hottest Producers YouTube channel, Producer Noob. And to give y'all a little background, I made a beat. I don't have my own YouTube page. It's in the process, but I pretty much sampled a song, and it was so good that I felt like I needed to share it to the world. You know what I mean? I couldn't just keep this one in the I couldn't keep it stashed. Like, the world had to see this. So I'm gonna get into it. If y'all ever watched WWE as a kid, like I did, there was a wrestler called the Great Khalid, and he always liked his theme song, so it just clicked in mind. Why not sample his theme song? So we gonna get into it. This is how his song sounds originally. Y'all get the point. That's all y'all need to know for now. So this is the first thing I loop. I looped the intro. That was like this. And what I did was I put it on stretch mode. I cut it 2x2. And I had it tuned to A4. Like, if you don't know what this is, you just right click and it could change anything. I had it on A4. Alright. And in the piano roll, I pressed on, hold on. It wasn't this pattern. This pattern. Right here. Had it on F sharp 3. This is how it turned up. Alright. Now for the next sound, it was pretty much the same procedures, you know what I mean? I don't want to explain it all over again. But only difference is I had it tuned to E4 note instead of A4. But it was the same process, you know what I mean? And it sounded like this originally. Transformed it into this. Alright, y'all get the point. Now, the next sound I added came from a sound kit called Virtual Vintage Samples, I believe. This is it right here. And this is what this sounded like, and I pretty much added my own sauce to it. And for this, all I pretty much did, I had it on E4 and F3, just like every other one. Alright. Next, we're gonna get into the drums real quick. This is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm not gonna explain this, I'm gonna just play them for you. Alright. Next, there's the last sound I added. Wait, no, I forgot to show y'all Arcade. There was another sound I added from Arcade. It was a melody. And Arcade, if you don't know, it's a VST and it has pretty much a whole bunch of loops. So I got it out this kit in Arcade called Gratitude and had it on E minor. It's not showing because I'm not connected to the Wi-Fi, but y'all know what I mean. Guitar, you know what I'm saying? Last sound I added was a bass line. I usually add my bass lines last. That's just my creative process. Now see this first note, it hits so loud, and I ain't like that, so I added a volume knob, and it kind of fades it into its loudness versus just starting off loud. Hear the difference? Y'all get the. Now before I play the final version of this beat, like the whole beat itself, I went on Maximus to the master track, and I went to Fancy and put it on the Lo-Fi preset. And what that did, it pretty much like made it sound a little different slightly. But let me play the beat for y'all. If y'all want to purchase this beat, the link's in the description. And don't forget to follow my Instagram at Big Stormo. And I know this beat seemed all complicated without the key switching and all that, but just let your ear do the work. That's why this process was so quick for me. That's because I just let my ear do the work. You know, not every sample was tuned in the same key, so I had to just do it myself. But don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. Alright, y'all.